Parliament, a fierce scene is expected as the finance bill is set for its third reading. The bill, which is already amended, could sail through and wait for President Ruto to assent to it. The bill, which could then become an act, will be effective July, with some proposals that will become new taxes. Tonight, Moige William takes us through on the possible changes and deductions from your income.
The Finance Bill 2023, which was amended by the National Assembly Finance and Planning Committee, tabled on Tuesday last week, seeks to raise 311 billion shillings, which is 100 billion higher than the initial bill. And in the proposals by the William Ruto government, tax collection will go up by 17% if it manages to weather the fierce barrage of debate in Parliament. Come the 1st of July, again, if President William Ruto will assent to the bill, new tax measures will include SMEs that make between 1 million shillings and 25 million shillings will be required to pay 3% on all the money derived from the sales made. Content creators earning from different online platforms to pay 5% withholding tax adjusted from 15% on all money they make from digital content. Also, a tax measure that has brought about hue and cry among a majority of Kenyans is the prices of petroleum, which is expected to rise, and the probable effects on basic commodities prices at an upward trajectory. This is after the Planning and Finance Committee decided to amend the increase of VAT and petroleum to increase to 16% from 8%. High-income earners will also see increased taxes on their gross salaries, where persons taking home 500,000 shillings and 800,000 shillings will be taxed at 32.5%, and for those with an income above 800,000 shillings will have to pay 35% tax. Not forgetting the much-debated 1.5% monthly housing levy deducted on gross monthly pay and 2.75% deduction on gross pay for NHIF. Kenya Revenue Authority will be after the mileage allowance that is above the tax-free mileage allowance as approved by the Automobile Association of Kenya. Excise duty on betting, on the other hand, will be increased to 12.5%. 15% withholding tax on fees charged on advertisements for alcoholic beverages, betting, gaming, lotteries and prize competitions in media, including television and newspapers. The price of sugar and other commodities is likely to be affected, with proposals to have importers of sugar, powdered juice, furniture, plastic and rubber products, paper and paper products, safety matches, particle boards and plywood, among other goods of timber custom duties increased to between 10% and 30%. Moige William, TV 47.